Just if we look at this particular chemical arrangement here, I'm talking about caffeine and its percentage composition, as you saw in the question, is C 49.48%, hydrogen 5.15%, nitrogen 28.1%. So if you divide that by each of their molecular masses, you come up with a ratio. Now this is not a whole number ratio, and so what you've got to do is convert that, but it is a ratio, so you've got to convert it into a whole number ratio. So the way you do that is choose the one that is the smallest number and divide that number, which will come to 1, and each of the other numbers by that, and take the nearest whole number. Now if it comes out to something close to 4.5, for example, then you're going to have to double everything. When you do that, you come up with a whole number ratio. Now you're told that the empirical mass is 192, so it requires 2 times that amount to get to 197 to get to the final formula.